No, you cannot see here, but this is my computer. Today, I just replaced the liquid cooling, the NZXT something, Kraken, what is that? The NZXT Z53 liquid coolant. The Kraken Z53 is like a 240mm liquid cooling, and I have a 5950X from AMD. It's a 16 cores, 32 threads. It's a beast. It's a toaster machine. It's just so hot. It runs extremely hot. And I went liquid cooling because liquid cooling is all the rage and was like this perfect for like thermals and thermodynamics and all this shit. The liquid cooler could not keep my CPU below 80 degrees if I was running like heavy tasks. Seriously, and it was like the fans were spinning so loudly. Well, not super loudly because I had Noctua fan, but it were spinning very, very fast. It was constantly like chugging and trying to keep the cooler down, and the idle temperature was around like 40 degrees, which is not bad as an idle temperature, but it's not even great because your CPU is constantly at 40 degrees even on idle, which it doesn't do anything. It's just stupid. And I was using a liquid cooling because before I had like a small form factor PC. What it was, the M2, I don't remember. It was just a small computer, and it was okay, it was fine. But then I switched to the Meshify Compact 2 as a case, because the Meshify Compact 2, because I got a new graphics card. I got the 3070 Ti, and it doesn't fit in a small form factor PC, so I got a larger desk. It's fine. I got a bigger computer, and now that I have a bigger computer, I can get a bigger cooler. I don't need to stick with the 240mm. And I got the Noctua NH, what is that? Noctua NH-D15, which is massive. It's a beast of like copper and pipes and fins and everything. And the Noctua, it's so good. It doesn't allow the CPU to go over 70 degrees. I was actually I can show you now. Coolero, let me see if I can switch this. Yeah, look at this. So my CPU now, I'm streaming and I'm compiling Thunderbird, and my CPU is around 50 something degrees. I mean, the CPU load is pretty low, but it's active, it's chugging, and I've been live streaming for 1 hour and a half. So there's a lot of thing going on. I've been compiling and coding, and it's there, it's stable. It goes up a little bit and it goes down, but it never goes over 70 degrees, which is phenomenal. And when I don't do anything, the idle temperature is 32 degrees, which is great. It's literally like 8 degrees of difference between a liquid cooler and an air cooler that should be like competing with each other. It's just fantastic. I'm extremely impressed and satisfied. And yeah, liquid coolers are not what they're supposed to be.